In today's video, we'll guide you through creating the Inception style effect. If you're interested, keep watching. First, let's open VideoProc Editor and click Create Now to start a new project. Choose any material and click Add to enter the editing interface. Next, roughly crop the material and adjust its duration. Now, place a keyframe at the first frame. Then pinch with our fingers on the screen to zoom in and drag it downward to reveal the sky. Move the playhead to the second half of the video, add a keyframe, and make the video fit to screen. Select the previous keyframe and change the motion curve to in-out quad. Next, select the material. Click Copy and find the copied material. Click Move to PIP to have the two videos overlap on the timeline. Now, select the bottom clip and find the first keyframe. Click Flip twice to flip the footage. Adjust the position of the image in the preview window. Continue to the second keyframe. Flip the footage again and adjust the position. Finally, go to Mask. Add a line mask and click Flip to invert the mask direction, hiding the excess sky. You can also adjust the feathering of the mask by holding this button. Once that's done, click Text to add some text. Enter the text you need. Then return to the main screen and add a keyframe. Click Edit, then go to Style. Change the opacity of the text to 0, then click Align and set the word spacing to -10. Return to the main screen and drag the playhead forward. Go back to the text editor. Set the word spacing to the proper value. Change the opacity to 100. And that's it. You've successfully created the Inception style effect. Now that you've learned this effect, download VideoProc Editor and give it a try.